Thutha wa miena yothe ni IBC, muikarigiti wayo Wafula Chebukati, ngwataniro ya NASA umwe na President Kenyatta guthikiririo kuhitukira mawakiri yao, igoti na ikaru ni majaji mugwanja magitongorio ni jaji munene David Maraga, itua ria gucoka ndebe-ini ni rikinyanirio.
A declaration is hereby issued that the third respondent was not validly declared as the president-elect, and that the declaration is invalid, null and void.
Magitugiria ritana riri wakiri munene ngwataniro-ini ya NASA uria nowe senator wa Siaya James Orengo niugite ati igoti ria Supreme nirikinyaniire wedi wao no gwa kauga ni maiganire.
We are very grateful and thankful to the Supreme Court of Kenya. This decision is historic. I think this is the first judgment in the entire continent of Africa which have upset an election, a presidential election. And therefore, this Supreme Court of Kenya, this time around, has done Kenyans proud.
Muneni wa Raila Odinga na murunawe Kalonzo Musyoka ni mahibiri itua ria igoti makiuga ni ria kihoto na waragania.
Our judiciary now knows that they have the power in law and with courage to challenge the mighty powers too many African presidents wield against the will of their people. We thank the Supreme Court for standing up for the truth and in the process lifting the image and profile of our nation with regard to the rule of law and judicial autonomy.
I feel that the dignity and the integrity of the Supreme Court has been re-established. And therefore, as we thank Justice Maranga and the majority, including the minority, the fact was able to give the minority opportunity even to read their dissenting judgment was tremendous. You can see the openness with which these proceedings were conducted.
Kurigana na watho wa ithurano gucokerwo githurano giki kwagire ni gucabainio ihinda ria thikũ 60 thutha wa kwanirwo kwa itua ria igoti. Guteyaniria kwa uhotani wa President Kenyatta na igoti tugiriria Supreme ni itua rikenetie ngwataniro ya NASA mwihoko wao ari kuyukia uhotani no riri hihi ni mitaratara iriku megũkorwo makigathika gutigirira ni mang'ethanira na Jubilee. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma igoti tugiriria Supreme ni njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.